Well, hello, Martika here with Martika J Makes. Hey, everybody, and welcome to my channel. And I am here with another pattern haul, you guys. If you do not know, right now, today is July the 15th of 2021 through the 18th of this week, this month. Joann's is having a McCall sale for $1.99. You know I love to share the good news with you, but that's not all. If you are in need of simplicity right now, Hobby Lobby is having a Simplicity and Quick Sew sale for $1.99 this week. So you get the best of both worlds for right now and to be able to go and grab some things that you need. So I just wanted to come in and just share with you guys some things that I picked up. Now I have tons and tons and tons of patterns, but of course when these sales happen, I kind of look through, see what I might have wanted that might have been out of stock, go in and grab some things that I know that I've needed along the way that I didn't think I need before. These are great times to do this, and also sometimes just to get patterns, just to have them, because you know that it's something that you might need or want later on down the line. So let me go ahead and share with you guys these few patterns that I did pick up. I didn't even count to see how many I have, but it's a few. So let me go ahead and share with you. So the first one I've gotten, and if you've been through the McCalls book, you have seen this, and it is M7790. And it's just this really cute, kind of like a kimono type robe. And you can see how she's wearing it there. I love me some bell sleeves or some flared sleeves, whatever you want to call them. I love these type of sleeves. I don't know why I never picked this pattern up, but I just didn't. Probably because it might have been out of stock at the time. But I got that. I love this view. I love view A. And then I also love this as a long, like a duster, or even I could see wearing this as a dress if you want to belt it up. So that is really, really cute. This is a Melissa Watson pattern. And yeah, that's going to be really fun to make when I get to it. Now, the next one that I picked up was something that I needed more of, which is shorts. And you guys, let me tell you, when I'm in the store, I don't know about you guys, but tell me if you do this. When I'm in the store and I see a pattern in the book and I've never really seen it on a person or something, or I'm wondering what it looks like, because a lot of times the models do the pattern no justice for me, you know, and my body type. So I will go to Instagram while I'm in the store and put in the hashtag, the number. So this next one is like M6930. That's what I will type in the search, and tons of pictures will come up if people have made these, if a lot of people have made them, or even if a few have made them. And when it came up, I fell in love with these shorts. So this is McCall's M6930. A pattern that's been there for a while, but I never really just paid attention to it until I realized I needed shorts. And it's actually that view right there, which in my mind, I thought might be really, really short. But when I went to go and look at them, you guys, they're so cute. And so I saw some that was done in view A, and I saw some that was done in view B. And I really liked them both. So I will probably, knowing me, I will probably do view A. I may do view B too, I'm not sure. View C, I'd have to try that one out on a muslin or something, because I'm not really, I don't know. It's something about that length and just the way that it's, it ain't working for me. Let me put it like that. So yeah, this is McCall's M6930. Of course, you can make it out with some pants too, but I wasn't looking for pants. I was looking for shorts at the time. Then I picked up McCall's M7129, and I'm gonna stop saying McCalls because all these are McCalls. So it's M7129, and this is actually a wrap skirt. Really, really cute. As a matter of fact, I just saw my girl Rochelle at Rochelle Handbag Design post this, and when I ran by it, I thought that it was a pattern that they didn't have anymore, and when I saw it, I said, oh, that's that pattern, I gotta have it, because I really like that view right there. I like view C, that straight kind of wrap skirt, and then I also like view B, also that kind of flared wrap skirt, but I definitely can see myself wearing that a lot more make it out of some denim or something like that. Something that I can wear with a lot of different tops. So that's what I had in mind when I saw that pattern. The next pattern I got, I actually did not realize I had already grabbed this pattern, you guys. So I already have this pattern. I may, while the sale is going on, exchange it for something else or just take it back because I don't need to. This is M7960. And it is this wrap skirt right here. And I really like all of the views, you know, on this, in this wrap skirt. You guys, let me tell you something. You cannot go wrong with a wrap skirt. A wrap skirt is something that I've never really seen go out of style. I've been wearing wrap skirts since I was a kid, seriously. And they're so easy, so quick to make, and so easy and quick to wear. You know, if you just want to throw on something, just picking that right fabric is key so that you can wear it with different things. So yeah, I like view A, B, and C. All of those. So I think that all of those would be really cute. And this is a learn to sew pattern in the McCall's collection. So great pattern for beginners. Another one that I picked up is McCall's 8084. Now, I kind of had a hard time with this one because it kept going out of stock every time I would go to grab it. And it is one that came out, I believe, in the spring, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I think that dress is just so cute. Now, I love the fact that the bow, the little tie up here, as you can see, there's an opening there, but as you can see, it covers. And that's what I really liked about it, because I did go to Instagram and I saw a lot of people make this. I'm talking about people of different shapes and sizes, and it was flattering on everybody, you guys. So I love a pattern like that. Definitely love a dress like that just looks good on everybody. So I went on ahead and grabbed that. So if you're looking for something like that, believe me, go check out that pattern number on Instagram and you'll see what I'm talking about. Another one that I picked up that I couldn't get my hands on because it was always out of stock. I think it kind of depends on probably what region you live in, you know, the things that are popular, but I finally was able to grab this, and it is McCall's 7406. And this is like a wrap dress. So I guess the theme today is wrap, okay? And I like that dress right there. This is why I grabbed it, for that maxi dress right there. I do like these versions too. Not totally crazy about that one, but the high-low is okay. I do like that. But I really grabbed this pattern for that long, comfortable maxi look right there. Now, another one that I did get is McCall's M7789. And you guys, I grabbed this pattern for the pants, okay? For the pants. I wanted some wide legs, something that was more on the dressy side or whatever, so that it would do the fabric. I have some Ankara fabric that I'm thinking about trying in this, and I was looking at some more Ankara fabric that I wanted to order, but I wanted some really nice wide leg pants, something that looked like it was made out of, you know, more of your stabilized fabric, like a cotton or something like that, that didn't have a lot of flow in it. And these were just perfect. I went to Instagram again and I saw so many different types of fabrics made out of this, mainly Ankara, and they were just gorgeous. The top for me, probably not so much. If I was to make that for myself, it would be, you know, just something to have to put something over, you know, that might be an idea. But these pants, they are in the easy category, so I'm really looking forward to making those. I'm running out of space here. Now, the next one that I got is a lot like the knit dresses that I've been sewing for the the Scoop Challenge, the Sew Classic Out of Print Patterns. And it is M7122, and it is a knit. I love knit dresses, and I have a lot of knit in my stash. So this is what this reminded me of. But you have like your raglan types. I don't think these are raglan type sleeves, are they? No, these, well, yes, they are. These are more so your raglan type sleeves. So, yeah, I thought that this was really, really cute. And especially that with that little short sleeve there. Really, really cute. So I cannot wait to sew that up. I really got that for view B. Depending, I will probably do the other views with the longer sleeves. This even has leggings to go with it. And yeah, this is going to be really cute, really easy, a lot like the other knit dresses. I can't think of the pattern number, but yeah, if you've seen the videos, you know what I'm talking about, because I have been sewing that dress up in different fabrics and loving to wear it. So I think I'm gonna like that too. This is one that I probably wouldn't have picked up, but I did see Brittany J. Jones I saw her make this, and her photographs in this was just so cute that I went on ahead and grabbed it. So this is McCall's 7936, and she made this a while back, and I had been thinking about it, but I went back and looked at the photos again, and I just really, really like this jumpsuit. This is also a learn to sew. This is a level 2. So this is like for a beginner, but you know, the next step up. So you have several different views there, and I think that all of them are really cute. This is the view that I think Brittany J. Jones did. I like the shorts version of this jumpsuit. I really like that. And yeah, just really easy. That one is really cute. I think this might call for, let me see if it calls for a zipper. Yes, this one, it does have an invisible zipper. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you get to learn how to do an invisible zipper if you're a beginner and never have done that before in this pattern. Really, really easy. And the last one I picked up is one that would not stay in stock where I am. So it is M8090. And this is another flattering one that I saw several people make on Instagram. And I said, okay, I gotta have it. As you know, the layers are in. Right now, it's just the going style, and it's just so pretty. And the thing that I love about this, you can even add more if you chose to. But I like this view, and I like that view. B would probably have to grow on me a bit, but A and C, I'm here for it, you know. So I really like both of these, and I'm gonna try and get this done before the summer is over. But if I don't, I'll just hold out until, you know, later on when it gets cold and go ahead and sew it up for the spring, because right now I'm kind of trying to move into a few fall pieces that I know I want to wear for the fall. So if I get to squeeze that in, then I will. If not, it's okay. So yeah, that is my small haul for McCalls, you guys. And like I said, this is a time to really get in there and get those patterns that's needed. Don't wait, because when it gets, you know, busier, I think like sometime during the fall, during the winter, you don't see these sales as much. Okay, I know that has been my experience. You don't see them as much. So now's the time to really kind of grab what you want, which is the reason why I love sharing these different hauls and ideas with you guys. So yeah, that's what I got. I am going to put these away, file them away, and see if I can get to some of them before summer is over. So we'll see what happens. But thank you guys for watching. Like I said before, if you have not subscribed and you enjoyed this video, go ahead and put a like on it. Go ahead and subscribe. And I thank you for coming and hanging out with me, and I'll see you again really, really soon in the next video. Have a great one, you guys. Bye-bye.